Hi! As we have learned from the previous class that shortcuts help to simplify our work and help to make our work faster on the computer. In today's lesson, we will be learning about the various keyboard shortcuts and how to use them. Let's start. To find an item, rather than searching, we use CTRL F. Let's assume you want to jump over and move faster to an item. We use CTRL G. To open a document that already exists, we use CTRL O. To open a new document, we use CTRL N. To type in italics, we use CTRL I. To align objects to the center of a document, we use CTRL E. To the right, we use CTRL R. To the left, we use CTRL L. Finally, for justification, we use CTRL J. The three most common shortcuts are CTRL C for copy, CTRL X for cut, and CTRL V for paste. These cut, copy, and paste are used to move objects. To insert an item in a space, we use CTRL K. To make items bold, we use CTRL B. To duplicate an item, we use CTRL D. To underline, we use CTRL U. To increase indent of a line, we use CTRL T. To select all items in a file, we use CTRL A. We make mistakes typing often. Imagine the stress of starting all over again. Just use CTRL Z to undo or CTRL Y to redo what you've done and continue working. CTRL P is used to print once work is done. And finally, CTRL S is used to save both during and after work is done to avoid losing files and working all over again. So in today's class, we have been able to see the various shortcuts that make typing faster, time-saving, and accurate. Wow, I trust you enjoyed today's lesson. See you in the next one. Bye.